I thought you might be taking a picture of that bald spot on the phone.
No bald spot yet.
Yes. Where I nicked you with my fork.
Definitely a bat starting to pass through, start off pass through. That's funny. Oh shit. Shut up.